Hello, my name is Monica Victoria. I'm 37 years old, living in Cerrito, Valle del Cauca. And so, spend each step mentioned in the video. Step 1. Relax. Don't worry figuring on stand when they just speak English. I listen. Step 2. Trans today focus on listening and do indifferent. Step 3. Match the contest to hot view on the stand and the thing you can use. For example, think about the situation you are in. Step 4. Practice different situations and voices. Listen to as many voices as possible, different type English, different voices, and men, women, children. Step 5. May as to the plan 3 and the beginning the video. Due to because some situation and nas list to the situation, listen to the English teacher speak breathe the English is loyal on clearly the on the train they are for native speak for different countries talking to shorter they have different accent and they soy usa Lawrence and devout English. 4. And minutri one dairy one Luis Picaron linguist Portuguese. 5. Where are two with food step warm word 1 do son sin everything do son sin different every day. 6. Where is the song play they propose? Monday. Listen 1, 2 song 2 or 3 times each. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast to America's Voice. Wednesdays. Watch it a TV show for 50 minutes. Thursday. Exercise to listen to at this textbook. Friday. Watch each program for 50 minutes. Saturday. Watch no movie for 15 minutes. Friends and spare 3 minutes in English. 7. What is to propose plan? Monday. Listen to ads on in English and repeating 2 times. Tuesday. Watch to programa in English. Wednesday. Watch movie in English and 9. Tuesday and 9 listen to according to book in English. Friday. Callan, fry, and speak in English for 15 minutes. Saturday. Listen to music to in English at repeating 2 times. Sunday. Watch a movie in English. 8. How to food period plan Mickey's cat do and clown shop today not considering the video. Do you can hate mathing practices in English? In the internet Google. Thank you.